Hi, I'm Kevin, and this is a Kevin's Shop video. It's a drill press safety shield that I just got in that I ordered, and I wanted to show you this. It's a really nice, heavily constructed shield that I can attach to my drill press and provide some safety from debris or that kind of thing. But it's real heavy construction, aluminum components. I'm going to get this out and lay it out for you. Everything laid out here. This is the main assembly, and these are two blocks that clamp to the column of the drill press. This one model fits the 2-inch to 4-inch column diameters. My drill press is about 2 3/4 inch diameter. And anyway, I'll start to assemble this. These threaded rods thread into these little captive nuts here. And then I've got the hardware here. We've got 2 spacers, 2 flat washers, 2 lock washers, 2 nuts, and 2 little thread caps. And you put on a couple of these spacers here. And then this one block. And now we're ready to go over and mount it to the drill press. So the instructions say to mount it above your rack, the table rack that's on the side here. So I'm just going to place this right on this ring here. Put this other block on. Flat washers, lock washers, and the nuts. And got that much mounted there. So once you have this mounted, you leave these loose so that you can rotate this around and square it up with the front of the drill press. And then you can go ahead and tighten these nuts. It makes that real solid. And then I went ahead and put these little plastic thread covers on the ends of this threaded rod. This is the polycarbonate shield that it comes with, and the instructions are to peel down this protective coating so that we can mount it to this cross arm. These nuts slide in here, and you need to position them for the width of these mounting holes, but also it gives you the ability to move the shield back and forth so that you can center it on your chuck of your drill press. And these are some 4mm Allen screws here. And I'll just snug these up a little bit. There we go. So the assembly is completed. So this crossbar has a tension assembly here that gives us just a little bit of tension. We can rotate this down, and then this arm adjusts. We can adjust the angle of it and also the depth of it. We can slide it back if we need to. But anyway, that gets the setup there. I'll clamp it down about there for now. Anyway, that's the assembly and for this drill press, a great safety shield.